Oh shit, you ready, dude?
Getting her packed up.
Getting ready to bring her over?
Almost. Got the clutch.
Oh yeah, dude.
The wire. I don't know what to do with the wiring harness.
You have the harness right here?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Well, it's.
You lose it?
It's here.
Somewhere?
It's here. I don't know.
What happened, bro? You cleaned this place up last time.
Bro, every time a car comes in, you know, gets stripped, everything goes everywhere.
All these Subarus. Ooh.
The secret's out?
Can I put it on the video?
Yeah, you can do it.
Show everybody?
Yeah.
All motor K? That's nice.
It's just Fong built, man.
Fong built?
Yeah, they got the 4 pistons.
Damn, that's nice. I love that intake manifold.
He has 3.5 pistons.
Yeah. Fong 3.5 piston block. And Fong and super high lift cam. Super big intake.
Super high lift cam.
Yeah, Pro 4.
What compression is it?
14.521.
Holy crap.
Yeah, just waiting on the K Pro right now, and then we're gonna.
So what are you hoping for? Like 300 plus all motor?
Oh, has to, yeah. 300 plus.
Damn, this thing's gonna get down. I didn't even know about this one.
No, he just built it.
He doesn't like turbos. He's an all motor boy.
I like turbo, but you know, Japanese style, you know, they don't like turbo that much. They just love all.
I keep telling him to put nitrous, but he don't want to do it.
He just wants all motor.
He just wants all motor. But it sounds good, man.
Yeah, sweet.
I think it'll do a super low 11. We got the K-Swap CRX, got the K-Swap MR2, and then soon to be
K-Swap STI.
STI, bro.
All the
We
K-Swaps.
might even K-Swap the damn truck.
K-Swap the world.
K-Swap the world. K-Swap the trailer.
What's up, guys? Right now I'm over at Emilio's shop. He has his STI loaded up on the trailer. We're getting ready to take it over to my house so we can start fabbing up the motor mounts and getting the K-Swap you know, just up and running in his Subaru. I was actually just with Rudnick over at the local skate park over here. We're gonna hit up another skate park on the way back, and then we're going to get the STI dropped off, and then not sure what else we're doing today. Guess we'll see where it goes after this. We might work on the STI a little bit, but I think we're gonna do some stuff with Rudnick, like take him for a ride in my hatch now that I got the boost cut fixed. Found it? Got the harness?
Yeah, this came off of K20A2.
Oh yeah, that's the right one.
That's the right one?
Yep. Hell yeah.
Cool.
We'll get her running in no time. But yeah, I'm gonna take Rudnick for a ride in the hatch because Brent messed with the tune a little bit. It was just hitting boost cut because when we loaded up the tune yesterday, he added some boost and it was just a little bit too much. So she's all good now. I did a couple pulls on the way home. Gonna give him a real ride in it, and yeah, just kind of hang out. Come on, Emilio. What's with that toe strap, bro? So we just got to the skate park. We're gonna hang out for a little bit. Emilio's STI is back over here, and Chris is borrowing a bike that a subscriber, I believe, is letting him borrow. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out for a bit and chill. No one's at the skate park right now, and I'm out of breath because we've already been warming up. And he's taking a nap over here.
Altitude's getting to me, dude.
Can't breathe or what?
It's fucking, dude, it's bad. You do one trick, you're about to fall
Out of breath.
Yeah, it's bad, man. It's fucking brutal. So you gonna send a flip or what?
I'll do it.
Too fucking easy, dude. Like how? I got something for you. Ready?
What?
I got something for you right now. Maybe I won't bitch out.
Oh, truck. First try.
Woo!
First try Friday.
Yeah, not bad. Can't breathe again.
Oh, sweet. So we're still just chilling at the skate park. Should have seen it earlier. Emilio was killing it on the scooter.
Oh, yeah.
He was getting down, bro. But I forgot I have my GoPro on me, and my helmet has a little GoPro mount right here that I've never used before, like maybe once like 5 years ago. I figured it'd be pretty cool to get some footage of that, so I'm gonna slap her on and get some clips. I've always wanted to do a flip with my GoPro on.
Here, let me show them a move.
Yeah, show them what you got, bro. Oh, dang. Cars are backwards, bro.
Did you see that air, dude? Oh, I gotta pull that up. Get it, get it.
Ooh.
$160 sunglasses, thank you.
You got some air.
Yeah, he did.
There she is, bro.
Fucking wild, dude. Only here.
You excited?
Oh yeah. Yep.
K-swap everything. Well, let's get her pushed in.
Let's push it in.
I'm trying to like wrap my head around how this actually works.
Yeah, it's pretty nuts.
Wild, dude. Absolutely wild.
We're still using, you know, the.
So is the engine gonna sit like this?
Yep.
It just sits straight.
Yeah, so there's so much room here.
It does stick out of the hood a lot though. Like the valve cover's like here. So what we're gonna try to do, I mean, if we can't get it to come down, we're just gonna leave it. But we're gonna see if we can notch some of this subframe out right there just to bring the tranny down a little bit, just to bring the motor down some. But we don't wanna bring it down too much and mess up the axles and drivetrain. But we're gonna make it work either way.
It's just gonna be a rat rod.
Rat rod Subi.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sweet.
I like it sticking out the hood.
There it is, bro. She's not leaving this garage till it runs under its own power.
Driving her out of here. It's real now.
It's going down.
I'm excited.
This is right where the MR2 was when I first K-swapped it too.
Yeah?
Yep.
This is where they all begin?
Yeah, the K-swaps all start right in this spot. And then they move on to that spot for a final assembly, and then they're out the door.
Shipped.
Happy customer.
This one's almost shipped.
Oh yeah, she's getting there. I need to get the harness done on this thing.
This is the
Oh, that's the S2000.
The S2000 with the K-plate.
Oh yeah. All right, bro. Well, she's here.
I know.
It begins.
I'm excited.
Got the harness ready. You said this was just a RSX harness, right?
Yeah, I think it's from the Type S.
That'll work. These will go right into the K-Pro. Then we just gotta give it some power, ground,
Run
and
it through there.
give the motor some fuel, and she'll be set.
Just gotta get rid of that too, because we're not gonna need that.
Yeah, we can just run the harness right through there, and I think it should be pretty straightforward. We have the clutch as well. We'll show it once we actually start ripping into it, but it's in this box right here.
Yep. Once we get into it, we'll just show it more, but
yeah, we'll show it in the next video about the STI.
Yep.
The KTI.
The KTI. I don't even know.
Han Subaru.
I don't even know what they call it, man. There's too many names already. But yeah, man. It'll be done soon.
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm ready to start working on it whenever.
Start tomorrow.
Let's do it.
We'll figure it out.
Well, you ready to ride this thing now that that boost cut's all fixed up?
I mean, dude, it was already fast with the boost cut, but I guess we gotta give her the full.
Yeah. No more baby pools.
I mean, I'm ready for it. If
We better do it soon though, because it looks like it might rain.
Let's do it right now.
And it already doesn't get traction, so.
I mean, yeah, in the rain it would probably be terrifying.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get it.
Oh, let's do it.
We're gonna start it in third gear.
Third gear? Alright.
The second's just kind of useless.
Yeah, first and second is just whatever.
I guess we can just hit it right here.
Oh boy. Oh man. Holy fuck, dude! It doesn't stop pulling! Oh my god, dude! It's like you're time traveling. Woo! Oh my, I can't breathe. That was insane. What's fourth gear like?
Let's get another one. We ran out of space right there.
It's fourth gear crazier?
Fourth gear just keeps going like that.
Come on. Wow. Did we just spin in all the way up?
Yeah, that was rolling. We could probably go back and you can probably see faint little marks all the way down the road. All right, we'll try to get into fourth a little bit.
All right.
We have enough room up here.
Here we go. How fast can we catch up that truck?
Probably catch up pretty quick.
Oh my God! How fast did we just go? I don't know.
Can't say on camera.
Yeah.
We went, what's the speed limit?
I mean, I saw the speedometer. I saw the speedometer.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Was she pretty wrapped out?
It was buried. I don't even think the thing was working after a while. This thing is fucking. This is an animal.
Dude, it gets down.
I can't believe you drive this thing on the street, dude. Oh my God. You must go through gas like a mofo.
Oh yeah, it's already gone through half a tank just since I filled it up yesterday. And it's only been like
How many
10
pulls
miles.
did you do?
Just a couple.
More smiles per gallon though.
Oh,
Jesus
yeah.
fuck, man.
It's all about the smiles per gallon, dude.
Holy fuck, what an adrenaline rush. Dude, I can't imagine what you're doing to the MR2.
Yeah. I can't even fathom what the MRT
Like-
is gonna be.
Are you actually gonna be able to breathe in it?
I don't know. I hope not.
Like, I feel like your chest might like cave in, dude. It's just like, suck. Oh man. Insane. Absolutely crazy. I need a vape hit after that. Can I vape in
Look,
here?
I think that's our marks. Look at that.
Right there?
Maybe, I don't know.
Dude, that's definitely
That's us on the way back for sure.
Yeah, that's
That's us. Oh, that's both of us. Look at the marks, dude. Look,
They're
that's
fucking
us.
black,
That's
dude.
us. Look how long this one goes. Look, there's the third to fourth shift. Look at the little gap in the marks. Dude.
Oh my God.
Dude, I've never even seen that before. That looks sick. I love how there's the little gap right there.
Yeah.
From third to fourth.
Just that quick shift.
Yeah, dude, it's just spinning, spinning, spinning.
That's pretty impressive that it's only like that big.
Yeah. This transmission gets down. Well, you ready to drive it or what?
I guess so,
I'm going
man.
over to let you in it.
I gotta set up the camera and that's gonna be it.
Well, I'm gonna let Chris give her a drive. Check it out on his channel. I'm gonna shut the GoPro off at this point.
So what we tried to do was like we didn't want to like copy footage, so he gets the reaction, I get the driving. Which I don't think the driving should be as cool because
Yeah.
I don't think I'm doing that, dude.
Well, hop on in. It's all you.
Oh man. Dude, it's so fast I got goosebumps. That's all I can say. I got goosebumps from it. It was incredible, dude. Thank you for the ride. And thank
problem,
you for
man.
driving, man. Dream come true right there. Dream come true, and we're definitely doing something soon. For sure.
Yeah, let me know. I'll help you out.
I'm fucking ready for it, dude.
We'll get you cracking some VTech.
Dude, I need to hit rev limiter ASAP.
Got some mice for Trouser. You ready to feed him?
Yes.
Not a fan of snakes?
No, they're gross. Ugh. Dude,
It won't be that bad, dude. He's chill.
yeah.
He's chill.
Real chill.
You ready, dude?
All right, ready? No.
Let's see it. Make sure it's like.
Oh, you're touching it and shit.
Let's make sure it's thawed enough for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's still a little cold, but it's thawed out.
Yeah, I'm not about this life, dude. This is disgusting.
Just let him like kind of
Dude,
look
this
at
is-
it.
I don't like this.
Oh, he sees it.
You think so?
Yeah, he's looking at it right now.
He's not gonna jump, is he?
No.
Oh shit.
No, he won't. He'll get close before he goes for it. Here, bring your hand over this way now.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, dude, this is too much. Dude, he's not moving. Why is he not
Bring
moving?
it over here into the light. A little closer. He'll go for it.
He's gonna come over there.
Like, see how he thinks my finger is something?
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, he sees
Dude,
it.
he's got a. Oh, look at that tongue.
Just let him go
This
for
is
it. Just let
stressful.
him go for it.
Can I like move it?
No, just leave it. Just leave it.
Oh no. Oh! Dude, that's fucking stressful.
You got it, dude.
So he's just gonna swallow that thing whole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll take him a minute, though. But he'll get it down.
He's gonna choke on the hair.
He'll, like, reposition it and then just kind of eat it head first. See, but he's smart enough now that he knows that it's, like, already dead. So he just starts eating it. Before, when we first started feeding him,
would choke
he would, like, choke it for, like, 10 minutes.
Ew, dude, look at all that snake skin.
Yeah, I didn't clean it out. He just shed, actually.
Ugh.
Nasty.
Dude, you're weird. Dude, fucking Fortnite in the background.
You just hear all the RPGs going off.
You know it's a good time.
PUBG.
We just missed the greatest dub, though.
Yeah,
it was pretty good. It was good, dude.
I was into it. I don't like Fortnite, but I was into it.
All right, guys. Well, it's getting late. Chris and Mike are getting out of here. How'd you enjoy feeding Trouser?
I mean, wasn't as bad as I thought, but at the same time, it was just gross and scary, and I don't know. I'll never own a snake.
I love snakes.
I'm still not.
Yeah, Mike loves him.
I love them. It makes me want to get one again.
It's a little
Dude,
better than seeing it off the wall.
He's chill.
I guess he's chill.
He's pretty chill, dude.
I guess.
You didn't hear one hiss. He didn't strike at you or
we
nothing.
Even tried
yeah, we tried to make him hiss. He's just chill, dude.
That's what it is, I guess.
Well, these guys are getting out of here. We got Emilio's STI, so we're gonna start on this here pretty soon. We also got some reaction videos. That was really good as well.
Yeah, that was fun
Like,
as fuck.
like Chris drive the hatch.
That was super fun.
Yeah, that was sweet.
Definitely makes me want one. For
Yeah?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down. If you get a Civic, I'll help you build it. For sure. You can come back down here and we'll whip it out. It'd be sweet, so.
I'm gonna hold you to that.
Yeah, I'm serious. We'll do it. So I just gotta clean up some stuff, pull the hatch in, and then tomorrow we're gonna try to get some filming going on, get some rolling shots with this bad boy right here.
Look at that.
Look at that rig, dude. Damn.
Shit's gonna come out good.
That van.
Dude.
Yeah, we got my minivan with the sliding doors so we can get some good shots.
So well. There's
I'm
no
so
scenery
excited.
like this up in Connecticut and Massachusetts, so I need to take advantage of it while I'm staying.
I know Mike as a filmer, he's fucking stoked right now.
Yeah.
He's missile stoked.
Nah. I'm stoked.
You're stoked.
I'm stoked.
Yeah, you
For
guys
sure.
need to check out Divine here pretty
Thank
soon.
you.
It's gonna
I
be
appreciate it.
it's gonna be pretty sick.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I saw some of the shots you were getting of it just sitting there, and it looks just unreal, dude.
It literally looks better in the camera than it does in real life.
It does.
It's crazy, dude.
It literally
It's
looks like,
absolutely
I keep saying it looks like Forza. It literally looks
It
like
does
new,
look
like
like
new Forza graphics.
Yeah.
It's like you almost can't even tell if it's real.
Completely.
It's just so perfect.
Yeah. No, I'm stoked to shoot that thing tomorrow, dude. For anyone that may or may not know me, all I own is Hondas, so I love anything.
So this is a big deal for Mike, right?
I love it, dude.
Yeah, you trying to build a Civic too? Bring one down.
Dude,
We'll boost her up.
I got a couple. We'll figure it out, maybe.
This garage
That'd be
makes
cool.
dreams happen.
Yeah.
It does.
So
Shit goes down.
I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
Hell yeah, guys. Had a fun day for sure. Also went to the skate park. I mean,
Yeah, that
dude, we
was
did
cool.
so much today. It was an awesome day.
It's
But
gonna be a long ass video for both of us.
yeah, it is. But they're getting out of here, and we're gonna try to get up early tomorrow, get some rolling shots, get some nice edits in, and guess we'll go from there. It's gonna be it for tonight, guys. As always, thanks for watching.